We are pleased to show you the 2020 Q7. Elegant, functional, nimble, and the list goes on. It is impossible to limit the attributes of the Audi Q7 to just a few and is priced below $70,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, front suspension type, multi-link, power brakes, ambient lighting. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.